Let's pretend we're at Gike Park and we're going to go do the Orienteering Lab. We're going to have our notebook, meter stick, compass. The compass, you can use your phone's compass. That should be pretty good if you learn how to use it. You're going to get to learn how to use vectors in 2 dimensions that don't go on a north, south, east, west axis. The first thing we need to do is measure our pace. So I'm going to lay out the meter stick and get 10 meters out on the ground. Okay, I've just measured 10 meters from the left side of that bush right to here, and I'm going to just start pacing this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to write that down. 10 meters equals 14 paces. Well, that's for me. You'll get something different probably. Now we have to get used to the idea of the compass. The red needle is pointing north. I can rotate the compass. The red needle is lined up with north. And now this is compass bearings. That's 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270, 360. The first displacement vector I'm going to pace off is going to be 25 meters at 160 degrees compass bearings. Now where is that? I have to hold the compass so that I am behind the 160 degree mark. I raise this up, keeping the red needle on north, and I pick an object into the distance. I see a little tree there that's 160 that I'm going to start walking off to. But how many paces do I have to go? I have 25 meters. I need to do the conversion. Of course, it's just a proportion. And I have to pace 35 paces. Off I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, as you do this, make sure you maintain the same pace you used when you were measuring your pace. Don't try to stretch it or anything. Just do it normal, the way you did it then. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I just walked from the garbage can. I put a cone on there so you can see where I was, over to that ladder. I put the ladder there to mark that spot. My next vector is going to be 12 meters at 40 degrees compass bearings. And that works out to be 16.8 paces. So I was over there at the garbage can. Now I'm over here standing next to the ladder. I have my compass. I'm ready to do the next vector. I have to make the compass point towards north. Hold it in front. I'm going to get behind the 40 degree mark. There we have 40 degrees. I'm looking up for a distant object, and it's going to be right to the base of that big walnut tree on the right side of it. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'll mark this spot with a bag of compost. Now you can see where I am. There's the start. That was the end of the first vector. Here I am at the end of the second. Now my third displacement from here will be 10 meters, 0 degrees compass bearings. That's exactly north. That works out to be 14 paces. So starting here, I have my compass set to north. I'm going to look straight up. Hey, I'm going to head over to those clump of trees off in the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to mark this spot with another cone. So I started over there at that cone, walked to the ladder, walked to the compost, and now I'm back over here. This is my finish. That's my start. What's the one vector that'll get me from the start to the finish? In other words, let's go find the resultant. Well, here I am back at the start, and now I have to go figure out where that cone is that was the finish. Well, I'm going to need my compass. I got it pointed to north. I'm going to aim up here And it looks like maybe I'm at about 95 degrees here. It's probably more like 100 degrees. I'm going to pace it off now and see how far away it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what's my resultant? That was 20 paces. How do we convert that? I'm going to flip that proportion around and solve for meters. So we have a magnitude of 14.3 meters. And don't forget the angle, 100 degrees compass bearings. Now this was my experimental resultant because it was measured.